This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, a trailer hitch receiver, and air conditioning. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Champion Ford Katy is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 20777 Interstate 10 West in Katy.